my name is Asha and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for my today's video, I am going to share with you guys 5 tips which are going to help you upgrade your style game or your fashion without even spending single penny or a single coin or a single note. In this video, I am going to help you guys to improve your style with what you already have in your wardrobe. You do not need to go out and buy anything. These are some simple tips which you can easily incorporate with what you already have. So I really hope that you guys find this helpful. If you do, like this video, subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel to grow, and let's begin with the tips. So the number one tip that I have for you guys is editing your closet. Now, editing your closet means removing the clothes that you do not want to wear or you do not wear anymore, and choosing to keep the clothes which you enjoy wearing or which you style too much or which just suits your fashion or personality more. Like, for example, there may be some clothes, some prints, some colors which match your vibe according to that atmosphere or that period of time. For example, in summers, I really like to wear prints or a little bit of a floral pattern more, but not so much in the winter or in the rainy season or during the other times of the year. Maybe I'll wear it, but mostly I prefer it during the summertime. So if you are like that and there are some colors which you attract to during a particular period of time, or you are more gravitated towards those kind of clothes and not the other kind of clothes which is already present in your wardrobe, then it's time to edit your closet. That is decluttering your closet, keeping the clothes that you enjoy wearing and removing the ones which you do not enjoy wearing. Now, removing does not necessarily mean that you need to throw them out or donate them for charity. If you want, you can do that. That's a noble work too. But I just mean to say that you should keep the clothes which you are going to wear, and the other clothes which you do not really enjoy wearing, you can keep them separately or elsewhere, because when you see too many clothes, you just get overwhelmed and you cannot decide what you want to wear. This is similar to what happens during the sale times. There are just so many items available and you do not know what you want to buy and what you should not buy. So it's better to have the clothes which you will enjoy wearing or which you want to wear according to your preference, so that you do not get overwhelmed every time you open your wardrobe. Next tip that I have for you guys is repurposing your clothes, or repurposing or using your old favorites in a new way. Now, I have an entire video on how to tie or tuck in a t-shirt, so you guys can check it out. There are so many different ways to wear a button-down shirt or even dresses, denim skirts. There's a video for everything on YouTube, and you can check some of them out on my YouTube channel. So at this point, I mean that there are such basic pieces like a white t-shirt or a white button-down shirt in everybody's closet, and sometimes we just get bored by wearing them in the same way. So what you can do is that you can wear them in new ways. You can pair it up with something else. Like here, I have worn a simple shirt and paired it up with a bralette. So you can use simple components to like mix up or spice up your outfits, or make them more attractive or up a notch, add a little bit of oomph to it. So there are so many different ways to wear any type of clothes, be it a jeans, a skirt, even dresses. There are so many different ways. So just look it up on the internet and you will find so many videos out there, and it's going to be really helpful. So next time you want to wear a t-shirt which you have worn last week, you will have so many ideas in your head by which you can still wear it, but in a different way, like adding a jacket on top, or adding a bralette on top, or a crop top, or a shirt. So there are so many ways and ideas which you'll have in your mind, and that is going to be really helpful. The third tip that I have for you guys is layering. Now, layering again is so important, and it's such a simple tip. Like, if you have seen my videos, I always mention layering in every style video, because layering is such an important part of re-wearing or wearing your old clothes but with a different touch. You may be wearing the same outfit you wore the last week, but last week if you were not wearing a jacket and this time you're wearing it with a denim jacket or a motor jacket or a shrug, it completely changes the entire outlook. So it's so helpful, and I really want to advise it to you guys that if you are really bored or you do not know how to wear your old clothes or what to do and how to improve your style, then just try layering. You will be amazed by it, and it really looks so phenomenal. It looks so stylish, and you are just improving your style. Whenever you're adding a third piece, it adds so much more spice to your outfits and so much more personality to your outfits, just like adding a simple blazer or a simple jacket, or just layering some pieces like I have done here. So it really helps to bring out your style and bring out your inner fashion and make you look much more stylish. So please you guys can definitely try layering with already the pieces you have. It does not necessarily always have to be a jacket. Sometimes it can be a simple bralette over a shirt or a t-shirt or any kind of dresses, and there are again so many examples of layering. Like for winters, there are so many different ways of layering upon a turtleneck. Same as with t-shirts and shirts, so you guys can use this tip as well. And again, you do not have to go out and buy third pieces to layer on your outfits. This video is all about improving your style with what you already have. So I'm sure you might have a simple camis or bralettes or some kind of shrugs or blazers, and you can use them as your third piece and for layering. So the fourth tip that I have for you guys is raiding others' closet, and by others it can be your sister, your best friend, even your boyfriend, brothers and your father's clothes. So they also really help to like bring out your style or like change a little bit of personality, or you can easily rewear your brothers and men's clothes. Now I have a whole entire video on how to style men's clothes. I will leave it somewhere up here and also down below in the description box. So I really enjoy wearing men's clothes, sometimes like oversized clothing. I really find myself very comfortable in oversized clothing. I don't really like body hugging clothes. So for that purpose, I like to use a men's shirt, and even I like to wear their jeans, their jackets. Their jackets come really, so men's jackets become really oversized on you. So I really like that one as well. So I have a whole entire video. So if you want more inspo on how to style men's clothes, then you can definitely check that out. I'm sure one or two outfits are something which you can rely on or you can easily pull off. So that video is really going to help you. And even if you're not comfortable with men's clothes, you can easily hop onto your sister's wardrobe or your mother's wardrobe or your best friend's wardrobe, because the more clothes you have, it's always better. Like you can have so many options to choose from, and sometimes even though we have so many clothes, we just don't know what to wear and how to wear it. So you can easily borrow some pieces from your mother or your sister or your best friend. They usually have a different personality or taste from you, and it's really going to help you like build up a different personality and try out different dresses without even spending a money. And if they have a similar vibe or personality to the way you dress, then it's a win-win situation for you, because now you can choose pieces or dresses which will already suit your dressing style. The last tip is no-fail outfits, and by no-fail outfits I mean the outfits which you can rely on when you do not have anything else to wear. Those are your go-to outfits, those are your uniform. Every time you wear them, you feel comfortable, you feel confident, you feel stylish. Like it could be an entire monochromatic black look, or a white shirt, or a white t-shirt with blue denim. These were some basic no-fail outfits. If you are more into India wear, then maybe some kurtis or some salwars are there which you always want to wear and which you always find yourself comfortable while wearing them. So those are your go-to outfits. Again, it varies from person to person and a person's taste and their dressing style. So having no-fail outfits is again going to help you improve your style so much, because you are going to be so much more confident in them, and you are sure that you are not going to look bad in them. And you can implement my other tips, like even though you have your go-to outfit, like suppose you have a white t-shirt or a jeans, that is your no-fail outfit, and you can use my other tip, that is repurposing or finding new ways to wear your clothes, and then you will find yourself in a new kind of an outfit. So again, having no-fail outfits is always going to make you feel so much more confident. So anytime you're wearing a dress which you really like, you can always take a picture of it and have it with you, or you can also go to Pinterest and create a board for yourself. You can always look up for inspiration on Pinterest, on Instagram. And by the way guys, if you do not follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. I am very active there. You guys can check it out, my social handle of Instagram, down below in the description box, and I would love to be friends with you guys and talk with you guys. So sometimes the way other dresses also gives us some idea that okay, we can also try to wear our dresses like this or make up an outfit like this. So again, that is really helpful. So that way you find your no-fail outfits, and it is going to help you every time. So that's all for today's video guys. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, then you can help me out by liking this video and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below if you have any other video suggestions or which tip was your favorite from this entire video. And I would love to see you guys next week. I post new videos every Monday and Friday, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.